Hello YouTube fam, how you are doing today? Is your boy Clint Sonos. I'm happy to be here again to do a video. This video is in theory session, right? The first part is going to be British pound USD technical analysis for the week, and of course we'll go to Euro USD technical analysis for the week. Then the last part is a breakdown of the trade we took during our last live session, right? And of course, I will give you guys more insight why I decided to take those positions, and of course show you my account balance for the paper trading, so you know more about the ideas that I trade, and of course how I put the setup together. It's going to be an interesting time, really. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be mind-blowing. A lot of revelation is going to be made. So guys, I will encourage you to sit back and ensure you watch the video from the beginning till the end. See you on the other part. All right, so for the pound, price is going to be pound USD. That's holiday, the Great British Pound. I guess that's Easter Friday, and of course also holiday in for the Euro pair, right? Yeah, we're going to be having OPEC meeting, then expecting the manufacturing PMI release. Of course, on Tuesday we're going to be expecting the just job openings figure. Then of course ADP non-farm payroll change on Wednesday. Then on Thursday we'll be expecting unemployment claim, right? Then I think FOMC is on Friday, so Easter Friday and FOMC. Well, this week might likely be very volatile, right? And of course towards the end of the week we might likely see a slow end in trading. So guys, these ideas I'm going to be talking about is already published on my TradingView, right? You can go check it out, and also on my website, right? learnclintonos.com. Go check it out. There's a lot of exciting info, right? There, just click on technical analysis, right? You can see the breakdown for the pound USD right there, right? And of course what to expect, and also for the Euro USD also, right? So it's really fully packed, waiting for you to go there right now. All right, that's that. So what do we have here right there? On the daily time frame, we can clearly see this supply zone, right? There are various levels of supply zone I identified, right? The SS1, SS2, of course SS3. When we break the SS3, we should be expecting that this whole zone is violated and another zone should be redrawn, right? So that's the essence of the supply zone 1, 2, 3 and all that. So fine, supply zone was drawn based off of this supply that came through here, and the supply took this swing low, right? A major swing low was taken, right? So there's a reasonable force that made price to move all the way from this level to this level to be able to take this low, right? So that's why I feel that possibly we might likely take another low, do another low, right? Because this is obviously a ranging condition, like I did mention in the analysis, right? This is a ranging condition. Price is ranging between the 12500 level, between this level, that is the 1.24500 level, and the 1.1800, yeah, 1.1800 level, right? So this level right there, price is ranging between this high and this low. That's what we will put in mind, right? Of course. And although judging from the last 15 trading days, the price is upward, right? So we can technically say this is a pullback that you are expecting to probably stall or probably find support around the demand zone, right? These various zones of demand that might likely see price. But if price goes beyond the demand zone 3, then might likely see a take of the low and of course continue upward to maybe fill this gap right there, right? So that's reasonable expectation to expect for the pound USD, right? So that's that. On the 4-hour time frame is even more clearer because technically I think we're having a divergence right there. If I put the mark the indicator, any of those indicator, we should be able to see clearly. Of course, you can see there's a clear divergence already forming, so that tells us that the likely possibility we're going to move down to test this level, right? So it's very clear and self-explanatory. Also on the 1-hour time frame is also clear and self-explanatory. We can clearly see what price is already doing, right? If we are to zoom in and try to read the market structure right there, you can clearly see we have a high, a higher high, right? We have a high, right? Higher low, higher high. Let's say, come on, what do we have here? We have a higher low, higher high. We can't have a low, but that was not where price got here. We should maybe we should have kind of a lower low, but price violated the rule. Price start continue making higher high, higher low, right? Then let's say high, right? Higher high, but it couldn't make a higher kind of like another higher high, right? So this is a lower high, right? And price is currently going down. Price took this low already, so there might be a reasonable expectation that price will continue downward at least to this level, right? On lower time frame. Of course, there are other indications right there that I wouldn't want to go into, right? But at least you can clearly see if you want to use a basic demand, supply, whatever, you can clearly identify a level of support right there. Depends on how you trade, right? You can identify a level of support, right? When price hit here, price moved up, hit here, moved up, right? Probably you are expecting if price is going to come here again, price might likely move up, you know. Depends on how you trade, but I believe price is moving. Price is going to at least retrace deeply to the 1.20972 level and see if it will hold or it will not hold, right? So that is simple enough, and I believe it's clear enough for everyone to grab and understand. I hope you are enjoying so far. If you are, please smash the like button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you can help others get the message, and of course kind of appreciate the effort I put in to do this video, right? Yes, enough, right? Thanks for doing just that. So what do we have for the Euro USD? Euro USD, of course, is similar to the pound USD, the pound USD, right? But unlike the Euro USD that is ranging, right? The pound USD on a daily time frame was trending down. Then we kind of like a pullback, right? Are we going to continue going down, or this is just going to be 1, 2, 3 or ABC retracement as the case may be, right? And we'll continue moving upward. We don't really know right there at this moment, but I think we are going to go down to at least reach this target 1 level. That is my projection. and price is reacting. Price reacted last week, right? That's that's previous week's path, right? Price made a high right there, rejecting off of the second supply zone, right? Again, last week price went back. I thought price was going to just pull back, retest somewhere around here and move up, but price just decided to go up, reject off the supply zone 2, right? So at the moment we are seeing a rejection. So my expectation going forward is that price is going to kind of pull to this level. If this level could not hold price, right, price is going to go to target one around 1.039889 level, right? So guys, if you are in support of this idea, you can leave a comment below to let me know what you think, right? Clearly on the 4-hour time frame, like I mentioned in my analysis, you can go read it out, right? Go read it. If you are just joining us, I've said earlier, clintonos.com, you can find other interesting topics that I discussed on this amazing website. So just go check it out. It's ad free, so for now, so you don't have to worry about anything, right? So just go check it out, right? So that's that for yeah. So you can see price is making creating a double top pattern, like, you know, right? And expect that price might likely just take this low to test this demand zone, which we can clearly see a 200 moving average right there. So might likely see that forming a support, who knows, but that is what I am thinking going forward for the next trading week, right? Trading week, the beginning of trading starts today, Sunday, so next couple of hours or so, but let's say 7-8 hours or so, we have the market open, and this is my expectation that price is going to continue. Price is going to go down, right, to test levels. That's what I'm thinking going forward to this new week. So you can also see that on a 1-hour time frame, price is already indicating that there's just a possibility of going down, right? Just like we form a double top on the 4 hours, you can also see the double top right there. We can see that price has closed below the 50-day moving average, tested the 200-day moving average, right? Moved up again, retested that supply zone that we identified, right? So it's very likely that price is going to come test this demand zone. If you break, go to the other one, break, go to the other one, they might likely come take this low. So as the price unfolds, we are going to be monitoring it very closely. So that is what I think, right? So don't go just yet, right? I'm going to do a breakdown, right, for you guys shortly. Let me just try to clean up the chart, because we're going to be using these ideas moving forward next. So there's no need to do another markup, right? We need our time to do more things, right? So here's the markup going forward. Maybe tomorrow, if I have enough time, I'll be doing for other pairs, but at least these two is enough. It's not easy to put up these writings together, and you know, for 2 pairs, right? So for now, time is of importance to me, and I don't have it enough. So right, so what yes, my PayPal account, this is the part 3 of this video. So my PayPal account right there, this is the history, right? This is the history. Now if you follow up, I'm going to edit that video, right? I'm going to edit the live video to put it up as a separate video on its own, because the live video is very long, so might likely find it difficult to find exactly where that particular clip, right, is. So I'm going to pull out that clip from my team from YouTube, then re-upload it, right? So when I said that it doesn't matter if you lose the first trade, second trade, third trade, although Losing this trade is gonna make you, right, less confident of yourself and your trading strategy, right? Of course, we understand that, but you need to think in probability, and of course you need to think in series of trade, like Mark Douglas suggested in his trading zone, right? Series of trade, at least minimum of 10 or 20, right? These are all probable series numbers, right? So they are all 1% of risk, right? All of them. So if you lose 3%, that's 3 trade loss in a row, right? Which I don't even recommend you allow yourself to lose more than 2% in a day. If you lose one, you try another one again, you lose, just hold on to wait the next day. Just assuming you lose 3% for that day, right? Then the next day you gain, depend on your risk to reward anyway, you gain 4%, right? Technically, minus 3 loss plus 4, we are equals to 1%, right? Right there. So you are up by 1%, right? That was what I said during my last session, that I was wrong about this calculation, would have lost more than 1%, but I was wrong. I was trying to figure out what loss size to use, right? So this was me trying to figure out what loss size to use. So, but notwithstanding, is a loss, right? A loss was recorded right there, and the balance dropped technically huge, right? And the next trade also loss. So 2 days in a row. That's why I tagged the live video session losing streak. Should I quit? Right? A lot of people after losing 2 days in a row wouldn't even bother to show up the next day. But I show up the next day. This wasn't supposed to be a loss. I'll show you why shortly. But of course, a loss is a loss. Then just one trade, right? Just one trade. Of course, this trade I'm talking about, I set them up on a live trade, so it's not like cherry picking or whatever. It was on live trade, right? So this ended up working out, and this closed up all our losses, and we're not in at least approximately 1%, right, or thereabout in profit. So we are in profit despite losing 3 trade, right? So going back to my trading, considering series of trade, right, can clearly see that this is gonna change your mindset, right? So you don't get to worry and start changing strategy up or down when. So that's too many grammar. What trade? Let me break down the trades. Is it what pair I'm trying to look at? Okay, Euro USD and Pound USD. So of course, Euro USD during the live session, I think I couldn't do live for Thursday and Friday. I was extremely busy, right? Very busy. I just couldn't. Okay, I think where. Okay, right there. I think Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday, right? Wednesday. I identified this beautiful trade setup, kind of like a break setup, right? A breakout of this zone. So you reasonably should be expecting that whenever there's a breakout, there should be a pullback, right, for price to balance itself up before it continue upward. So price break, right? Immediately I identified the break, right? Price hasn't even gotten up to this point. I think I should use a replay button, I guess, right there. So I was watching price when the break happened, right? Immediately my mind is in for a buy, right? So the only thing I'm waiting is the confirmation that is this break legit, is there a follow-up. Then right there, everything I'm looking for my straight setup happened. I saw a break, then a follow-up, right? Of course, follow up is simply bar closing above the break, right? So it's clean for me. Then you even went further to confirm more that okay, I'm going up, right? Took all this liquidity right there. After taking this liquidity, of course, you should expect a pullback, right? So immediately I placed order for a buy around this level, right? Yeah, so place order for buy around this level right there, right? My stop was somewhere around there. I think I was pretty lucky. I'll need to really go edit the video, right? Then target was here, right there. So targeting 6R, right? I think even more than I didn't do that target. I just left it open, but I knew where I'm gonna exit, right? Just like the trade I took while we were live and got for arrow, I knew where I was going to exit, right? So when this happened, I was just waiting for a pullback. Pullback never happened, right? Then price went up. Immediately this happened, we saw I think before this happened, right? I think we should go back a little. Please guys, support my channel by liking this video to help others see this. I think we dropped to a 5 minute time frame. We spotted an opportunity, I guess, for a short position. Oh, I think that should be. Is that? Let's see. I'm not sure exactly. Okay. Right there. Right. Okay. Right here. Exactly. Right here. So my buy was already bullish, right? I was looking for a buy. So technically, when you're looking for a buy, you need to see a reversal sign again on a lower time frame. So I'm expecting a pullback, then a continuation at this level, right? But price at this point we're live, right? Price hasn't gotten to this level, but price give me a reason to believe that it's going up, right? We have a break of a swing right there. When I saw the break of a swing, right, my mind immediately went for a buy position. There are various reasons I was considered anyway, but immediately this happened, my mind went for a buy position right there, and my entry was this low and my top loss was critically here, right? Very critical. I will target, my initial target was this high. Then although I didn't close the trade, I knew I didn't put a take profit. I knew where I'm going to take it off, right? I know what I need to see the candle doing for me to put it up, right? So for me to take it out, so to say. How's that? Then we're watching price, then price tagged us in. Immediately price tagged us in, price went to our take profit just like that, right? No, we didn't go. I think it was a pullback and I took 6, something like that, right? So you can clearly see we took a 4 out. It's not, is this 6? Yeah, it's 6 out. 6 hour trade right there based on our previous setup, and we exited this one, right? Then this one was tapped. I think the next day also, same day, was tapped in, right? Okay, it was tapped in. It was very critical, almost hit at our stop loss, right? Then very critical one at that. But we've entered. Then again, price gave us a reason to believe that it's going up, so we shouldn't be afraid. That was when I was confident. Okay, I said, price already said it's going up, so I just waited, right? So I believe price is going to go up. But you know this, I wasn't on my chart. I wasn't even bothering. Of course, the PayPal account. Why should I bother anyway? But I know the logic for entering this trade was sound enough to wait, right? And again, if I wanted to re-enter, there's also an opportunity right there for me to enter somewhere around here, but I wasn't even interested in re-entry. I'm already bagged 6, although I didn't enter it on this account. I didn't even enter it on any account, but already bagged 6. Let's say for instance, so why should I bother myself trying to enter another trade? That's enough for the whole week, let alone for the day. So price continued downward. You can see trade was very stressful one, very stressful trade, I must say. Continue, right? Price was doing all this, maintaining the tempo. Of course, this trade is still valid. The reason why this trade is still valid is clear. Price has not violated this low. So this particular low, this low was the most low, right? The most swing low compared to this other one. So this one particularly is still holding for me, right? While all this is happening, I'm not even supposed to bother myself, right? Because I know what I'm looking for, I know what I'm watching, right? And this happened again, telling us, all right, I'm ready to go. You can enter again if you want to enter. Entries here, you wait, but I wasn't there. I was out of the trading, but what's it called? I wasn't trading at all. On my computer, right? And I think we can see this execution. All right, can't we see the execution? I think you are supposed to see the execution. I don't know why the execution is not showing. We are supposed to see the execution. The execution was somewhere around there. All right, that's that anyways. Right, so continue playing forward, and we hit our take profit right there for a 1 to 4. 1 to 4. Where's 1 to 4? So yeah. Yes, right there. 1 to 4. Right? So I wasn't even expecting price will move. I didn't really. I'm not really sure where the stop loss is, but I know somewhere around this region, right? So that's 1 to 4, right? That 1 to 4 automatically put us well above in profit, closing all our previous losses. So that's why a good risk to reward is critical, and of course, it's going to help you going forward. In this, if I was live, right, if I were live, so to say, there are a lot of opportunities that I would have taken here to the upside and to the downside, right? Of course, I can see all of them, right? Of course, that is not what we are discussing in this video, but you can clearly see. Then, I said I was going to tell you, I was going to show you guys left quit for Euro. Right, for okay, I wonder what we'll see many. All right, we can see the execution. Then why is the execution not showing up on what's it called? Execution. Look at the execution right there now. I bought here, right? Because my entry was, it's always the same, right? Every time I see this and I get the confirmation, I enter, right, for the pullback. Because you can see clearly here, these are my entry. My stop loss was here, so we're taking out, right there. We took a loss on this bar, right? Price pull before going up, right? So after taking this loss, and I saw opportunity somewhere around here again, that is if in alliance with what I had in mind, I will retake the setup. I wasn't on my chart, right? Probably if I was on my chart, I wouldn't have even waited for that trade. But that is why you need to stay focused and diligence in all you do, and be confident that, right, things are going to work out the way. Okay, the execution is right there. Wow, That's where's my entry? How can my entry be here? That's really a lot. And my sell was there. So I entered here, right? And sold right there. Okay, yes. I didn't, the target wasn't there. But that was entries here, right there. Entry at 1.08388, then exit at 1.0980, right? So why are we getting where am I stop? I don't know where I put my stop. I know my execution was here. Oh, sorry, my execution was here. My execution was on this low, not that one. Then my okay, I think okay. Oh, around there. I think my stop loss was here. Right. I think my stop loss was probably plus slip. What is this? Slippage. Right. And my stop loss wasn't on this low, but stop loss was somewhere around here. So probably my target was here. And it's right there. Okay. On this bar. Okay. I guess one on high. I wasn't sure, but I know it's somewhere around there. And I put the take profit because I wasn't available. I wasn't available to manage the trade. I think okay. Perfect right there. I think this is the way. I will edit that clip and be sure. But this is it. So a trade was able to mitigate our loss, right? So I believe you had a good time watching this, and of course you've learned one or two. If you have, please guys leave a comment below, let me know. Subscribe to help this channel grow. Please support this channel, subscribe. I really will appreciate. And of course I will be here to answer any question. If you have any question, just put it in the comment. I'll be here to answer. Because Monday I will also not be available, right? On Tuesday also not sure if I'll be available, but on Wednesday it should be on my trading desk. I don't know, but it should be, right? So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.